All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I'm going to start up the phones here. This is the Pixel 3a and the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to start these up. All right, that one's starting. Now, this phone costs $480 and this phone costs $750 with a low side of $669. So I guess I'll be on the unpopular side. Well, the Pixel's already started up. That's pretty fast. Definitely starts up really, really fast. And then the OnePlus is on a few seconds later. So I'll be on the unpopular side, which I really don't care. In this video, I'm going to compare these phones. And they both should be clean. They're wiped out, got a fresh reboot. I cleared out everything. And I'm going to show you, now I've already compared the processors, if you will, in these phones with a different phone. But this phone has 12 gigs of RAM and this one has 4. So I'm going to start with just opening a few apps. This isn't an app opening video, so don't think that it is. Be sure to watch the video all the way through so you can see what I'm getting at. But let's go ahead and open up Twitter. Fresh off a boot. I think they're settled in now because the OnePlus is already getting some stuff. So we're going to open them up. You can see the difference here. They both loaded up. I need to turn on my night mode. Uh-oh. There we go. So they're both loaded up here. So you can see there. Now let's go into Instagram. You can see the difference in loading them up. And let me switch profiles here because I was on my other profile. And then I'm going to close these out and go back in and open them again. All right. You see the difference, like probably a second or less that it's opening up. Now remember, these are just app openings. Don't take this too serious. But I'm just showing you something here. All right, you see how they open up. Now let's go to a web page. So let's get in here. Let's go to Google. Google.com. We're going to go to google.com. All right. And then we're going to click on both of these right here on the top. And we're going to see how they handle it. And now let's go. These are over the same Wi-Fi. Let's request the desktop version and see how it handles it. Remember, this is a Snapdragon 670 and it's a Snapdragon 855. Looks like the OnePlus is already completely loaded. You got to look at that bar up there. And now the Pixel is loaded. Now let's go to CNN. The vibration motor in the OnePlus is not very powerful at all. It's not strong at all. So you can see the difference in loading was about a second, 2 seconds, give it, whatever. All right. So now let's go back to let's go back to the mobile because I like mobile sites. Why does clown continue to pop up in my feed, man? Well, okay, I went to CNN to be fair. All right, so performance-wise, I don't see the $100+ difference. All right. Now remember, I said I'm going to be on the unpopular side by putting this video out, but I don't care. So opening apps, about the same experience for me. Going to web pages, a second or two faster on the OnePlus. Remember, this has 12 gigs of RAM with a Snapdragon 855, right? All right. So cameras, it's really windy out. I'm not going to go outside and it's super windy. And I just don't feel like going outside right now. So I'm going to shoot some video right here. Actually, I'm going to do portrait shots and then I'm going to post them up. I'm going to do front-facing and rear-facing portrait shots if I can't. No, they both have a hard crop on the rear, so I'm not going to be able to take a photo of myself, but I'll do front because I've already tested the rear camera for portraits on the OnePlus. Horrible. It's horrible. This one kills it. So I'll do portrait on the rear, but not of me, but then I'll take front shots of me with both of these phones. I'll do that. Let's do that now. All right. So there are the cameras. Cameras get crushed by the Pixel 3a XL. Not even the 3, not even the 3. This is the quote unquote budget Pixel, and it slaughters the OnePlus cameras, man. It slaughters it. To me, in my opinion, it does 10 times better. Even though it's got a wide angle and 3 and all that stuff, Google's getting it done with one lens, and I totally appreciate that. Now, one difference between these that I've seen is battery life. This gets about 45 minutes more to an hour more than this phone. So basically 7.5 on my Pixel, 8, a little over 8 on the OnePlus. That's real talk. Great battery. Most OnePlus devices have stupid battery anyway. Yeah, this phone has good battery. And obviously, we're going to test the display. Now, this is HDR10 compliant. This is not, but check this out. So what I see here is, these HDR videos, just because your phone isn't HDR doesn't mean that it can't play the video and make it look really good. The details on both of these, right on par. Right on par. I really can't tell one difference I can tell is that the blacks on the OnePlus look a little blacker sometimes. Other than that, what you think? I know this is over video, so it's limited, but what do you think? Now, the OnePlus, let's give credit where credit is due. It's immersive because it's borderless pretty much. All right? All right, you get the gist of it. You get the gist of it. You get what I'm getting at. Even though this phone is not HDR compliant, the screen is beautiful, right? It's OLED. So software, stock Android, enhanced stock Android. Big difference, performance? No. All right. Camera. Pixel wins. Battery life, OnePlus is a little bit better. Price, Pixel wins. I mean, I don't know what else to compare. This has a headphone jack. This doesn't, you know what I'm saying? It's a matter of personal preference. But what I'm getting at, folks, is save your money, buy a 3A XL or a 3A. You don't even have to go to the Pixel 3 if you're just concerned about battery and cameras and performance. Plus, you get a headphone jack. Save your money, buy a Pixel 3A or 3A XL. I'm done.